When I read this book, I was blown away at how simple you make the process of not trying to control everything that everybody else is doing. It's as simple as let them.
Let them. When you let other people live their lives, your life gets better. When you let people be who they are, your relationships get better.
That's right, because that's what we're here to do, to accept people for exactly who they are.
Yes.
And not trying to change them.
Yes, and to stop wasting your time and energy trying to control things that you can't control, like other people's moods, what they think, what they do, because you need that time and energy to do things to make your life better.
And then
so let them.
Let them. And then the other most important part of the theory is let me.
Yes.
Yes.
Let me remind myself that I am always in control.
Yeah.
Because I have power over what I think, what I do, and how I process my emotions.